If you are still scrubbing your air fryer by hand every single night, you are doing it wrong. I have spent hours researching the most effective maintenance tools on Amazon, and today I am revealing 3 air fryer cleaning hacks that most people do not even know exist. Before we get into the list, hit that subscribe button right now to join a community that saves time and money on home appliances. First, let's talk about the mess. If you hate scrubbing burn-on grease, you need to see these heat-resistant silicone liners. Unlike paper liners that can catch fire if they blow into the heating element, these food-grade silicone baskets are reusable and completely dishwasher safe. I found a specific set on Amazon that is currently a top seller, and I have pinned that link in the top comment so you can check it out. The second hack is a total game changer for the heating element itself. Most people never clean the top of their air fryer, but you can actually use an Angry Mama steam cleaner specifically designed for small appliances. You just add vinegar and water, let it steam for 5 minutes, and the grease wipes right off without any harsh chemicals. Finally, for those impossible-to-reach crevices in the basket mesh, you need a specialized crevice cleaning brush set. These are not regular dish brushes. They feature ultra-stiff bristles and a thin profile designed to get into the gaps that sponges always miss. According to thousands of 5-star reviews, using these 3 tools together can cut your cleaning time by 70%. If you want to stop scrubbing and start enjoying your food, check the pinned comment for the current deals on all 3 hacks. I will see you in the next one.